Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the best products to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're diving into the VIEWPETS car seat cover, renowned as the best dog car seat cover for backseat SUVs on the market. If you're a pet owner who loves road trips but hates the mess, this could be your perfect solution. The VIEWPETS car seat cover isn't just a simple seat cover. It's a robust protector designed with your pet's comfort and your car's cleanliness in mind. Made from durable, waterproof polyester, it shields your car seats from scratches, fur, and even accidents like spills and urine. Plus, it's a breeze to install and clean, with features like seat anchors, non-slip mesh, and easy-fit elastic straps. Let's break down why this cover stands out. Firstly, it's universal in size, fitting most vehicles with dimensions of 49 inches by 56 inches or 52 inches by 62 inches. This means whether you drive a sedan, SUV, or truck, this cover will likely fit snugly into place. The material is not just tough, it's also comfortable for your furry friends. The quilted, heavy-duty fabric not only protects but provides a cozy surface for pets during travel. It's designed with side flaps to ensure the entire backseat area is covered, keeping it safe from dirt and spills. Installation is straightforward. Simply tuck in the seat anchors, secure the elastic straps around the seat corners, and you're done. Cleaning is a breeze too. Just wipe with a damp cloth or toss it in the washing machine for a deeper clean. This makes maintenance hassle-free, essential for any pet owner. Now, let's briefly compare it with another popular option. The Amazon Basics waterproof car backbench seat cover offers similar features but at a slightly lower price point. However, it lacks some of the design elements and the brand reliability that VIEWPETS offers. In conclusion, if you're looking for a top-tier dog car seat cover that ticks all the boxes: durability, ease of use, and universal fit, the VIEWPETS car seat cover is your go-to choice. It's not just a purchase, it's an investment in keeping your car clean and your pets comfortable during every journey. Check out the link in the description below to get your VIEWPETS car seat cover today. And don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching.